Hi. In this video, I will show you how to easily and quickly boot an operating system inside a virtual machine with no technical knowledge needed. We are using KVM QEMU for this demonstration, which is the simplest way to do it. To add a new virtual machine, either click the plus sign at the top left or select New Virtual Machine from the menu. But before we do this, make sure we have our operating system's ISO file downloaded. Open your browser and go to archiveos.org. From the menu there, pick an operating system. We will try a random Linux distro. Download the operating system. Now, let's go back to adding a new virtual machine. Select the downloaded ISO file. We must choose the type of the operating system. Let's just pick generic Linux in this case. Start typing generic and select generic Linux from the results. This is only for some default settings. Then after clicking the forward button, we can customize the RAM size and the CPU cores. Then we can change the size of the hard drive of the virtual machine in case we want to install it. We can give our virtual machine a custom name. Here we could also customize the hardware before we start the live boot or the installation, but we will just keep the default settings for now. Once we click the Finish button, it will start the virtual machine, and it will boot our operating system. We can make it full screen by clicking that icon at the top right. And now our operating system is booting. This is it. Now we can play around with our fully functional operating system, or we can install it. In the rest of the video, we will click around and test the operating system, try the network connection by opening a web page, start random applications, and start the installation process, which we won't finish this time. Many thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you. Let me know in your comments.